Increase system performance on your HP OMEN computer by overclocking the processor and memory using OMEN Command Center. Select the Start button. Type OMEN Command Center and select it from the results. From the left navigation bar, select Overclocking. The first time the overclocking screen opens, a prompt displays to get started using the tutorial. This option can be skipped by users experienced in overclocking. The overclocking screen displays information about system performance. A benchmark score represents the current level of performance of the computer's components. Select the Run Benchmark button to obtain a benchmark score. With the base benchmark complete, you can tune the processor using the sliders. For computers with Intel processors, use the sliders to adjust the processor core and cache ratio as well as the core voltage. For computers with AMD processors, adjust the core multiplier and core voltage. Exceeding the maximum allowable core voltage causes the chipset to become unstable. Consult the chipset specifications to determine the maximum allowable core voltage. If you decide you do not want to apply the new settings, select Discard Changes at any point to restore defaults. To apply your new settings, select Apply, then select Apply again. Overclocking can cause the system to become unstable. If this happens, OMEN Command Center resets the system to the last stable settings and restarts the computer. When you return to OMEN Command Center, a prompt lets you know that your overclocking settings have been reset. If your OMEN uses XMP compatible RAM, it can be overclocked to run at faster speeds. From the Overclocking section, select the Memory tab. This tab only displays if you have compatible RAM. Select Turbo to overclock the RAM. A prompt asks you to restart the computer to apply the new memory speed. Select Restart Now to finish memory tuning.